I already telling about this app where you can just earn some money from sharing your internet, unused internet. So I have to say something about this application. So you can join and earn free. There is an other option, so you can just earn some extra cases. There is an on section where you can just come and spin the wheel for every 24 hours. There is an other option where you can just get other spin by buying from this coin. So I have just doing this. Okay, I am just getting better luck next time, and I will spend another. So there is also better time next time. Okay, to watch video to unlock, you can just to watch video and unlock and get the spin. And there is quite a quite option where you can just complete the tasks and get um, some points, and you can use these points to spin the wheel and other things where you can just shop something that you can shop from this $1 $2 for 1,000 or 2,000 coins. So you can just boost your earning by spending those points in, and you can just do that. There's a lucky draw where you can just click and place some tickets to buy the tickets and get $2 into 25 instant $50 winning gas. There is an option where community option where you can just go and get $3 bonus from every invite you to invite your friends. So there is an invite link and invite code. You can just share or use my invite code to join and share. You get extra $5 bonus by joining in this application. There is another app. There is a profile section where you can just see the how many things you have to do, how many cash in your account, how many quests you can complete, survey complete, how much so you can share this GB and points, how many have you have points. And there is a refer also. There is an achievement section where you can just see the achievements and get some rewards. There is another option where you can just see survey and offer. You can just click on survey and complete the quotes. From here you can just get some survey and offers you can get. And there is an offer no as a complete quotes. Okay, there in my region there is no survey and offer available for this app or another other apps. So you can if you have a European country or like that country, you can just getting some extra rewards by doing surveys and other things. So you can join this application and get extra income from your unused internet. If you are in the this app friendly location, you can get more than you can expect. So just to join this application and get some there is an other option where you can just click on there, click in there, you can see, and just there is an payout option where you can just to go to payout. There is an where is your country located. You can just select the country and you have the options. If you are a United States of Arab, you can get Bitcoin, PayPal, gift card like Visa card, compact VPN, and Razer Gold. You can just choose another location or city or country. You can get those types of gift and withdrawal. So you can just join and select your country to withdraw and you can get some these types of interface. So there is an option where you can just select the country. Okay, if you are from Pakistan, you can just do from those. So